I do see a dragon tail. You know what that means.
There must be a dragon attached to it.
Time to smile.
Smiling.
There he is. Oh, smile! Yay! Oh, hello, Merlin. Goodbye, Merlin. That was, we only saw the dragon for like a quick second. That was a fast dragon. He's flying! This is a... Whoa! Woo! Is that like a little tiny pop of airtime on the dragon?
A little bit of airtime.
All right, so we're gonna do the Technic Twister. Sarah, how fast can you spin?
Very fast.
All right, this is a challenge. You can do it.
Very fast.
We are doing it. We're spinning. We are spinning. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
There we go.
Oh, we are spinning. We can do this. It's like a workout.
It really is.
Because before you graduate to a dragon, you always have to be an apprentice. Oh, here we go! Whee! Hooray! There's the dragons. They're practicing. Yay! And we're back in the station already. All right, Sarah, get in the submarine. Yay! It's submarine time, guys. It's a real shark, not a Lego shark. All right, we are scanning the fish. Oh yeah. We have found Atlantis. Oh! Oh yeah, open. Shoot the snakes, shoot the snakes. We're gonna steer and yay! Woo! Okay, we're coming back in. Whee! Oh! All right, ready? Watch us. Here we go. All right, so here we are at Miniland at Legoland Dubai. This has to be one of the nicest, if not the nicest, Minilands. All right, Sarah's gonna go visit the Grand Mosque.
Alright, I'm gonna crawl my way in, not hit my head. Okay, I'm in.
She's just hanging out in the Grand Mosque, you know. Hey, how was it?
Made it.
Hey, how was it?
I'm inside now. It's very pretty. There are lots of people keeping it clean. Look at them. Are there any birds hanging out on the mosque? I don't see any.
All right, here's the outside of the Grand Mosque. Sarah's gonna go crawling through the pyramids.
And we are entering the pyramid. Let's go.
Sarah's gonna go crawl.
Oh, there's archaeology in here. Let's see, what do we have? What do we have? Okay. We have, ooh. Oh, the monkeys. The monkeys are causing chaos here. Something's happening here. Oh, the dead are rising. Oh dear, oh no, you guys might be in danger. Okay, a lot of dead people here. Whoa! They're having a grand old time. This dude, the lanterns, we're having a party here in the afterlife.
The only thing that this is missing is a Pizza Hut with the amazing view of the pyramids. It wasn't enough for Legoland Dubai to have one Lego Burj Khalifa, but they actually have two Lego Burj Khalifas here. All right, let's press this button.
Rolling!
Oh, there we go. There's the skydiver off the Burj Khalifa. And yep, it's Lego Petra. This is one of my favorite Miniland displays. It's some of the world's tallest buildings, all right here in a row, with the Burj Khalifa in the background. You just keep going. Each one just gets slightly taller, a little taller, and finally you get down here, closer to the end. And yes, there is a second Burj Khalifa. And you can see this Burj with the other one in the back. So Legoland actually has two Lego Burj Khalifas.